January 4th, 2021 Daily Math Review. Jack needs 22 pirates for every 2 pirate ships he manages. Complete the table using equivalent ratios. So we are going to complete this table using our equivalent ratios. So what we're going to do here, it first off tells us that he has 22 pirates. So here's the number of pirates. He has 22 for every 2 pirate ships that he manages. So here's his number of ships. Here's those ships. All right, so what we're going to do here is, first of all, how do we get from 2 to 22? Well, we multiply by what? Well, 2 times what equals 22? I know 2 times 11 equals 22. So we're going to do that same thing. What is 5 times 11? Well, I know that's 55. So I'm going to type 55 there. And then 11 times 11. Let's do over here. 11 times 11. 1 times 1. Let's do a different color here. There we go. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times this one is 1. Done with that. Put our placeholder 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add them up. 1 plus 0 is going to be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So what we're going to do is have our answer of 121. So I'm going to put that 121 in that box. And that is it for filling in our table. That's all. Great job.